They have more of a tendency to swarm this year, but they lay more eggs and brood and stuff. This one, right. And they've got brood up here on larvae. Same thing over here, cat brood and larvae around it. This side, same thing. And eggs and stuff down here. And no beetles. Numbers. This one has worker brood up here, worker larvae up here, and eggs. This is all capped brood. This is larvae. We have some eggs and larvae over here. Queen cell, queen cup. This side here, same thing. And no beetles. This frame here has capped brood, honey, some larvae, pollen, larvae, no beetles. We have cap brood, we have pollen, we have honey, we have nectar, we have some pollen there, and capped brood right here. Now, there was no, you know, if y'all watch this and y'all trying to figure out what I'm doing, look at the other videos and see what we started with, how we're doing now, and that way you can keep up what we're doing, and how we're getting rid of beetles. Y'all saw that they didn't have much pollen, and that's why I give them pollen patties. Little one there that we squished, I guess. Ooh, girls. But they're helping her. Push all this back over here. And we're going to put this little one in here. So they can build it out. there. Get our pollen. Pollen so they can feed the babies. Okay. Now, I'm not going to look at the bottom because the front is attached, but you saw there was no beetles, or few beetles, no live ones. Well, that first one was a live one. But that's what we've done. Y'all saw they're gentle. Once they know you're there, they just don't like surprises. It's getting heavy. Okay, we're going to take wax off that side. Beetles off here so we don't squish them. Put this in place. And we also look for beetle eggs when we pull this out on both sides, because the beetles will get in there and the bees can't sometimes if you leave too much room in there, and they'll lay eggs, so you got to look out for them too. And if you see them, scratch them off, change your thing. And we're going to see what we got in here. And they still have a little pollen, so we don't have to put pollen on them. This is their bucket. And then we cover all this with this bucket. And the beetles will get underneath the bucket and go into the trap. This over here, well, we have a beetle. Two live beetles, that ain't bad. We'll take our food. Now this over here, we're going to use it for starting smokers, because it may have beetle eggs in it. So we're going to take it over here and stick it in the smoker. We're going to get some fresh ones from over here. Pine straw and stuff. If y'all need pine straw and you don't have pine trees around your house, I raked this up last year because we have a time here with pine straw that we don't get any. So I get this and I put it in the bag. Now, if you was to go down to, if you have a horse or feed place that sells pine straw, or anybody really that sells pine straw, we have a Lowe's and a Home Depot, and y'all have other things, and that's good. They'll usually give you the your pine straw that nobody is using. You know, a lot of it comes loose when they're moving it. And They give you you can rake it up, put it in a bag or whatever, and they don't care. But and write on your thing what you got. But anyway, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And y'all saw what the beetle population is now. There is very little to none because of what we did in the last one. So, give us a thumb up, give us a comment. Appreciate a comment. And y'all tell me what you think and how you think the beetles are working or not working. I hope y'all enjoy this. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or whatever, let me know. Good, bad. But if you give us a thumbs down, explain why. We appreciate y'all watching this, and y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.